people in this world, they are like in love with their religion. And they are so madly in love with their religion that they are ready to fight with others to prove that their religion is the best. And they are ready to fight for it and make everyone believe that all the other religions are bullshit and only their religion is something that is of value. So why do people feel like that, and which is actually the best religion for you? Which is actually the best religion in this world? Hi, I am Preeti and you're watching this video on which is the best religion. Now see, if you can just put aside all the judgment, if you can put aside all your ego and watch this video with an open mind, then you will understand what I am trying to say in this video. By no means it is my intention that I try to feed something positive about my religion and I make you believe that your religion is not good. That is not my intention. Okay, so if you can watch this video keeping your ego aside, then go ahead and watch it fully. Do watch it fully. Okay, stay tuned. See, religion is something, religion and God. It is something that every parent teaches their child since childhood, since the kid is like a toddler. Because every parent wants that their kid is brought up in the right way. That the kid learns to become a good person, learns to do good karma in this world. This is the reason why every parent will teach their kid about God, will teach their kid about religion. Yes, every religion teaches that don't do this, you have to do this. God will love you if you do this. So all of that every parent tries to teach because they want their kid to become a good and responsible citizen of this world, of the country. And whatever you learn in your childhood, it actually becomes a stone written truth for you. Try to think about your childhood house. Try to think about your childhood school. Try to think about your childhood friend, the best friend that you had in childhood. Try to think about the neighbors that you had in your childhood. All of these people, these places will hold a very special place in your heart. Why? It is because of the childhood programming. So in the same way, because religion is taught to you since childhood, because your parents have taught to you about your God since childhood, because of that, the religion that you have, the God that you have learned about will hold a special place in your heart. Okay, so which is the best religion for you? The best religion for you is the one that is taught to you at childhood. A lot of times people like to debate over this. They feel their religion is good and others' religion is not that good. The thing is, for the others, the religion that they are brought up in is going to be the best for them. Because you may have seen this, that nobody is trying to listen a single bad notion about their religion. Everybody wants to sing praise of their religion, and everybody wants that everybody believes in the God that they believe in because he is the best. Ultimately, God is just one, but people want to do that. So your question might be, okay, but if God is one, then why do we have these many different religions? See, The earth is round and it is huge. When one religion came into existence, there was a part of the world which was devoid of religion, which was devoid of some good teachings, which is why some other divine soul had taken birth at that place, which taught people the teachings of God. You can actually see, I have already discussed with you similarities of all the religions. So, though the name of the religion is different, though the name of God of all the religion is different, still the basic thing that all the religions teach is just the same. Because God is one, so the teachings are definitely going to be the same. And somehow God created, He Himself created all these different religions, and then He wants to see, because He created everybody, He created people of all the religions, and He wants to see how His children behave towards each other, which is why He put all of them into different religions. He gave all of them different interests, where you are going to need somebody's help. No matter what, other person is definitely going to need your help, no matter whichever religion they belong to. So this is how God has made a variety of different religions, and then He wants to test how His children behave towards each other just because their religion is different. Okay, so yes, so this is the little video about which is the best religion. By now you have this answer, which is the best religion. And yeah, so that is it for today's video. Try to share this video with as many people as you can about, with whom you want to share which is the best religion in this world for them. Okay, so if you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, to share this video with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.